Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. Welcome to my kitchen, to Jay's kitchen. Today I bring to you all another new recipe. We are making banga soup. Right here I have my dry fish, my snail, which is Congo meat, and I also have Periwinkle. You guys, my mom brought all this for me, and I am so excited. I just want to cook banga soup. Right here, I have my chicken and goat meat and also my banga. I use chicken for this dish because I don't have bush meat. Usually, you use bush meat for. Right here, I have my meat water, and I will be adding in my banga into the water so we could start cooking this dish. Oh my gosh, this was so delicious, you guys. It was delicious, and if you tasted it, you would tell me the same thing. All right, we're gonna add in our banga and we're gonna let this boil. We're gonna bring this to boil. While we are actually waiting for this to boil, we're gonna go over to the spices. Right here, I have my taiko. Do you guys know what taiko is? It's the spice we need. This is my beletientien, this is my bitter leaf, and this is my reggae. These are all the spices that we usually use to cook Nigerian banga soup, especially the urhobos, because I am from Urhobo, so we have all the spices. We're gonna blend this so we could add this to the soup. Now I'm done blending it. We're gonna turn this in, and we're gonna add in our bitter leaf and our taiko. We're going to put that in there because it is needed. After that, we are going to let this boil. You guys, I'm preparing native Urhobo Banga soup. Actually, not Nigerian soup. We do have 36 states in our country, so we have different kind of soups in each state. Now, I'm going to add in my pepper. And then adding this pepper, I'm going to let it sit and boil for some time. Now it's just slightly beginning to boil. It has not started yet. We're going to let it boil very well. Now it's boiling, and it's time to add in my periwinkle, and I'm also going to go in with my Congo meat snail because for me I like it to be well cooked. Those are the first things I would be adding, and then let it cook for a while before I add in anything else. As you can see right here, my soup is boiling. Let's add in our Maggi cubes. I like to use little or no Maggi. You all know that. Now it's time to add in our meat. All the rest meats that we have, like all my goat meat, my chicken. I also added in the fish because I wanted everything to cook well. My meat has already cooked, so I don't want it to overcook again inside the soup. That is why I was adding everything in together at once. I also like to make my fish cooked a lot because that's for me and number one. If you don't cook your fish very well, you guys, you're gonna finish up in the bathroom. So make sure you cook your stuff so well. Okay, so we're gonna go in with everything now. All right, let's add in our fish and then our dry fish. Actually, those dry fish are ladyfish, and I also have the catfish in there. So I have everything, you guys. I have everything in little pieces. You guys, this soup was, oh my gosh, was yum, 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 yum. So now let's let it cook. It has been boiling for about 15 minutes, but it's not ready yet. I like to cook it even more. I cooked this for about I let it cook for 1 hour, 30 minutes. I let it really, really cook because you guys, you all know, if you know something in my channel, is letting my food cook a lot. How are you guys liking this recipe so far, you guys? I hope you like it. And if you're going to try this at home, let me know in the comment section. Yes, yes, yes. Now, this soup is just looking yummy as ever. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You guys, I'm not going to cook this in here till it gets dry. We are going to be using our native pots to do that for us. Why I said it is a native Banga soup, because it is a native Banga soup. So I let it cook a lot more. I just like to let it cook. You could see the different faces of everything, how it looked before. Now it's time to put in our soup in our native part. The part I enjoy most is this one, you guys. My most favorite part. So we're gonna add in everything we need in here, and then we're gonna let it cook. Right here, you guys, it has been boiling, but we need to we need to let it boil until it is a little bit dry. So look at it. It has been boiling. My soup is ready, you guys. My soup is so ready. Look at it. It is not the way it was before. It is a little bit dry and thick. This is how we wanted it to look like. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. It's time to eat. Actually, I was supposed to make stash with this, but because I don't have, I forgot to buy some before I came back home. Now we're gonna do some semo. We're gonna do some fufu to eat our banga soup. And look at it, you guys. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at this. Have you missed this? Like in Africa, when you use the native pot, you have, if it is too hot, you have to put water under the plate and then put the native pot on top of it. I'm so excited, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to try this recipe, and don't forget to listen to comment. If you're not part of the family, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.